I am excited to talk about FLOKI INU right here, and this is massive because they have currently done a huge amount of profit in the last 48 hours right here. So if you can see from my screen, about the last 7 days we have some massive downfall which also affected the whole cryptocurrency right here. But in the last 1 day right here, we have a green pump, and this is what we are going to be talking about in this particular project right here. So all you need to do is to sit and enjoy this so you can get some valid information you're going to be needing in your next trade right here. And if you actually get this particular video interesting and useful, do not forget to please hit the like button. Like if you are watching now, just hit the like button so you can be recommended to more people we are willing to buy or to know more about FLOKI INU. All right, so it's your choice if you want to subscribe or not. I'm joking right here. So all right, so I want to check about this FLOKI. This is the official website right here, and they actually utilize token for the crypto ecosystem right here, and it's actually listed in different area right here. We have the Waili and different area. We're going to be talking about them right now. So on the CoinMarketCap, if you have been watching my video for a while now, you will know I actually love using my CoinMarketCap for a lot of analysis because I actually trust whatever they bring out right there. So let's check where they are launched. So if you want to buy this, you can actually see them. It's actually on the Ethereum blockchain and also on the BNB smart chain. So this is the contract address right here. If you click on this side, you are going to see out the contract address for this particular token, and also right here. For those asking how can I buy, I'm going to say that before the end of this particular video, so do well to stay tuned right there. So let's check out again, and if you check out the market cap for this particular project, it's actually increasing and doing well. So in the last 24 hours, the volume has actually increased about 19.02%, and we have it to be about $313 million right here. That is currently massive. And if you check out what we have in the fully dedicated market cap, also market cap right here, we actually have about 18.20% up. And for the, I want to check out the fully dedicated market cap. Okay, it's actually 1.7 billion right here, and that is, let me show you, 1.7 billion right here, and that is massive. This is massive right here. So let's go further into this video. If you have any question which I might not actually jump into, do well to drop to the comment section and drop that. I'm going to attend to whatever question that actually come out right now. So does this particular project worth to buy? All right, so we all know this is not a financial advice anyway. This is for information and entertainment purpose only right here. But you know, in the last 1 day right here, this particular project has been ranting around this particular price, and I wish to take the all-time high of this particular. So the highest this particular token has gone to was 0.0003, and that actually happened as 2024 0605 right there. So that was when this happened, and this is currently this year and this month. This is massive, and I need to talk about it. All right, so if you want to buy, this is how to buy. Before I move further, so before I forget, if you want to buy, check out the market. So you can get it on all exchanges right there. I think, yeah, they are on all exchanges. We have it on Binance, we have it on the P2P, Uniswap, the PancakeSwap, OKX, Bitcoin. Anywhere you can actually get this particular, but you can swap your token to it, and anyhow you can get it done. It is very easy to buy right there, so I won't be dwelling much on that. All right, so let's come to the community. So from the community right here, people are actually talking more about this particular project, and this came up. FLOKI moved into Nigeria to embrace Africa cryptocurrency capital, and that is an update that is currently coming up right here, which is currently massive. So if you're in Nigeria, this is actually a good information for us to actually jump into, and this is going to be working well for us right here. This is a update that came up on the 14th of this particular month, and that was currently massive, which actually talk about the aim for the FLOKI to actually bring the mainstream. Also, a lot is going on in this particular. I'm going to be dropping more details updates right here. I'm going to be making more further research and follow up about this. So if you want to know more about that, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumb like, please. You can go ahead to drop your comment at the comment section also, whatever you feel, whatever you think about this particular project right there. So